Okay, so we've come to the end of day one for Team Relentless's training trip to Singapore. We are at Darren De Silva's Fight G Academy. Sudipta Marik and I landed at 7:20 this morning. Sudipta. And we caught up with Chaitanya Gauli, who finished his last 2 weeks of training camp for his ultimate beatdown, which is going to be taking place on 30th March at Danga Bay. So Chaitanya has been training with coach Darren De Silva, and they were over in Hong Kong training for the fight. Post which three of us managed to get some rest, and Chaitanya finished his last training session, and Sudipta and I managed to get in a good BJJ training session with Fight G's purple belt Alan. So it was a good session. I managed to survive a blue belt and a purple belt, and I think Sudipta, how many times did you tap today?
Not a single time. Not a single time.
So I think it was a good day to start off, and we'd personally like to thank Coach Darren De Silva for giving us this opportunity to come out and train at his facility, and he's offered us to come stay here and train with him, and looking for future affiliation with Fight G, and so good things to come. Over there we've got Chaitanya Dangerous Gauli. He just weighed in at 76.1 kgs, so we will start his weight cut tomorrow morning. He needs to weigh in at 73 kgs. It's a catchweight fight at 73 kgs. We'd like to give you a short tour of Fight G Academy, but thanks to us, it's currently in a mess, so I think we're going to keep that for another day, because I'm sure Darren sir would not like us to show his gym the way we've kept it at the moment, and he'll probably throw us out. So yeah, another time. Good night.